Are evidences of equity or ownership. Shares of widely held companies are traded on stock markets. Stock holdings is in demand because stocks act as ownership of capital that can easily conveyed by means of organized trading in the stock markets. In financial markets, the dynamic of stock prices are indicated by uncertain movements of their value over time. The main idea underlying the Black-Scholes model was to set up a portfolio of stock and bonds. The model is used to buy and sell these risk and riskless assets by constantly composing the proportion of stocks and bonds in the portfolio, as well as to completely evict all the risks in the portfolio. The basic idea of Black-Scholes equation is to construct a portfolio from stocks and bonds.
Moving on to the Brownian motion. Brownian motion was discovered by a botanist named Robert Brown. It is a particle that moves randomly. Brownian motion is a stochastic process used as a model for stock price movement. It is also called a Wiener process. The process serves as a basic model for cumulative effect of pure noise. Brownian motion have three properties. First, independence of increment. Second, normal of increment. And third is continuity of path.
Hi, my name is Angwichi. I'm going to talk about the problem statements and objective that we did in this research. There are a few difficulties we faced during the process of completing this research. One of the problem is how to make profit by investing in stock. Furthermore, how to minimize or control risk caused by such decreasing in the stock value. Not only that, we have to figure out whether there is a model which can give an indication about future behavior of stock prices. The objective of this research is to find some ways to increase the profit by investing in stock. Moreover, we need to determine how the companies minimize and control the risk caused by decreasing in their stock price. Last but not least, we need to investigate the model which can give an indication about future behavior of stock price.
Strategy 2.1 The Black-Scholes model. The Black-Scholes model price option uses stock as the underlying asset. The definition of the stock price process is, however, captured as the geometric Brownian motion. 2.1.1 Geometric Brownian motion. The stock price is modeled by geometric Brownian motion as follows. Application of E2 formula. E2 formula was applied in the solution of the stochastic differential equation for the stock price as a geometric Brownian motion. This solution used in the derivation of stock of Black-Scholes formula as follows.
We're going to talk about the discussion and the conclusion of our project. We apply the Black-Scholes formula to calculate the possibility of the put prices on stocks. As we stated in the introduction, the modeling of the stocks is about modeling new information on stocks. A broker should concentrate on selling put prices until the situation on the exchange improves in regards to stock volatility and the stock prices in order to begin the trading in option stocks on GSE as underlying asset. As conclusion, in the Black-Scholes formula, to calculate the put option price as the stock price as not approach to zero, the parameters D1 and D2 approach to positive infinity and consequently and negative D1 and negative D2 approach to 1. If S not less than K, then the put price can be approximated by K exponent to the power of negative RT. The behavior of put prices in the presence of the low stock price. We clearly observe that the put prices do not necessarily tend to be zero for low stock prices. Thank you.